Respiratory infections spread quickly in public areas. Protect the staff and visitors with BOWMAN Cover Your Cough compliance kits. Our convenient kits hold everything you need to comply with the Center for Disease Control's 4-step guidelines, which make it easy to stop the spread of germs. The CDC recommends that hospitals provide the following items for visitors and patients at the entrances of healthcare facilities, including emergency departments, physician offices, clinics, or any other public area. Visual alerts to educate patients on proper procedures, hand sanitizer available for hand hygiene, and when selecting a BOWMAN kit, there are 2 basic layouts available: bottled hand sanitizer or automatic hand sanitizer dispensers. Face masks for people who have a fever or are coughing, and tissues to cover the nose and mouth when coughing or sneezing. This section can hold a standard box of tissues or 2 of the 100-count half-size boxes. Placing CDC-recommended supplies into BOWMAN dispensing stations protects ports of entry, standardizes dispensing location, drives refill compliance, enhances patient and staff safety, and contains cost by preventing hospital-associated infections and outbreak investigations. Compliance kits standardize the location of PPE supplies, making them easy to see and refill. Place kits directly on counters, hang permanently on a wall, or mount on a stand in lobbies, clinics, waiting rooms, and other common areas. Our kits have 1 part number and are easy to order. Your station, sign holder, and stand arrive in 1 box, saving you on shipping costs. Instructions are included for fast and easy assembly. Take a look at how quickly a kit comes together. First, to secure the base to the column, turn the column upside down and place the base inverted on top. Then use a Phillips head screwdriver to secure the base to the column with screws. Turn the stand right side up so the base is on the floor. Attach the respiratory hygiene station to the column using the screws included with the stand and tighten. To mount the sign holder, sandwich the holder over the top edge of the dispenser, lining up the holes. Attach using barrel screws included with the sign holder. The sign holder overlaps in front and back of the dispenser as shown. Fill it up and protect your ports of entry. Our best-selling, American-made respiratory hygiene stations have been a staple in the healthcare industry since we designed them more than a decade ago. BOWMAN will continue to create innovative solutions to protect your staff, patients, and visitors from the spread of infection. For more information on the complete line of BOWMAN dispensing products, or to place an order, go to bowmandispensers.com or contact our customer service department by phone at 800-962-4660.